Catch this. We're revolutionizing construction. Imagine printing a house not in months, but hours. Sounds like science fiction? Nah, it's a reality. Enter 3D printing technology. It's not just for tiny gadgets anymore. We're talking full-scale houses, folks. Layer by layer, these printers spit out concrete, crafting walls, floors, even roofs. Think about it. No more lengthy building schedules, no more cost overruns. We're talking about a home sweet home ready in less than a day. The future is here, my friends. Construction as we know it is changing fast. Get ready to move into your freshly printed home. Remember, you heard it here first. Revolutionizing construction, printing a house in hours. Yes, we're making the impossible possible.